Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 new Ducati motorcycles for 2023. Number 7. Ducati Monster SP. The Ducati Monster SP is an exciting addition to the Monster lineup, designed specifically for riders who enjoy sporty riding and want to amplify their fun on the road. This model incorporates advanced technical features that elevate its performance and style, while its MotoGP-inspired livery adds a racing touch. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Monster SP is equipped with a Testostrada 11 degrees L twin engine with a displacement of 937 cc. This engine configuration delivers impressive power, generating a maximum of 111 horsepower and a peak torque of 69 pound-feet. The Monster SP shares its engine specifications with its counterparts, the Monster and Monster Plus. All three models feature a 937 cc 90-degree V-twin engine with 11 degrees of valve overlap. The Ducati Monster SP not only excels in style and power, but also offers enhanced on-road performance. It features premium brakes, suspension, and tires, resulting in improved braking performance, reduced load transfers, and enhanced maneuverability. For those interested in owning the Ducati Monster SP, it is available at a starting price of $15,500. This competitive price point makes it an appealing choice for riders seeking a high-performance naked bike with a touch of racing DNA. Number 6. Ducati Streetfighter V4. The Ducati Streetfighter V4 is indeed a powerful and exhilarating superbike that offers an incredible riding experience. It is universally appreciated for its aggressive and muscular styling. It sets new benchmarks in the super sports naked segment and stands out with its bold and dynamic appearance. Weighing 201 kilograms and equipped with a 16-liter fuel tank, the Streetfighter V4 is a well-balanced machine. With its 1,103 cc Ducati engine in a 90 degrees V4 configuration, it delivers an impressive 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Ducati offers the Streetfighter V4 in multiple variants and colors, allowing riders to choose the one that suits their preferences. With its impressive engine, advanced features, and aggressive design, the Streetfighter V4 is a true beast on two wheels. Number 5. Ducati Panigale V4. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a sport bike introduced as the successor to the V-twin engine 1299. It represents a significant departure from Ducati's traditional use of V-twin engines, as it is their first large production street bike. With a V4 engine, the bike is widely recognized for its powerful engine, precise handling, and aerodynamic design. Its sleek and aggressive appearance perfectly captures the spirit of a high-performance sport bike. The bike is powered by a 1,103 cc Desmodromic 90 degrees V4 engine, which is surrounded by a more conventional aluminum perimeter frame. This engine displacement complies with the superbike category competition regulations. It incorporates cutting-edge technology derived from MotoGP and DesertX, making it a standout in the superbike segment. The longer DesertX-derived gearbox ratio and new and revised power modes contribute to its exceptional performance. The Panigale V4 is the embodiment of speed and performance in Ducati's sports bike lineup. It has undergone various improvements to enhance its overall performance. With its combination of power, agility, and style, it is a high-performance sport bike that is sure to impress motorcycle enthusiasts, whether on the track or the open road. Number 4. Ducati Scrambler Icon. The new Ducati Scrambler Icon is a stunning motorcycle that perfectly blends style and performance. Its eye-catching graphics and sleek black engine details make it a head-turner wherever it goes. The fairing design has been completely updated, giving the bike a fresh and modern look. Moreover, the redesigned seat offers a tighter and flatter shape, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience. The engine is an 803 cc L-twin with Desmodromic distribution. It has 2 valves per cylinder and is air-cooled. This engine design is known for its reliability and smooth operation. One of the standout features of the 2023 Ducati Scrambler Icon is its remarkable agility and ease of riding. Despite being 70% new, it retains the same level of maneuverability and responsiveness that the Scrambler line is renowned for. In terms of technology, the new Scrambler icon is equipped with a 4.3-inch TFT instrumentation, adding a modern touch to its classic design. Overall, the Ducati Scrambler icon is an exceptional motorcycle that seamlessly combines style, performance, and modern technology. Number 3. Ducati Multistrada V4. The Ducati Multistrada V4 is a lightweight and compact motorcycle designed to provide a sporty and exciting ride on mixed terrains. It combines powerful performance, comfort, and advanced technology to deliver an exhilarating riding experience for adventure enthusiasts and touring riders alike. At the heart of this remarkable machine lies the 1,158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine. With an impressive power output of 170 horsepower and 92 pound-feet of torque, the Multistrada V4 offers a thrilling performance that will surely satisfy any rider's desire for speed and excitement. One of the standout features of the Multistrada V4 is its pioneering radar technology. As the world's first motorcycle equipped with front and rear radar systems, it enhances safety and provides advanced rider assistance. With its lightweight design, impressive performance, and innovative features like radar technology, it is an excellent choice for those seeking adventure and excitement on two wheels. Number 2. Ducati DesertX. The Ducati DesertX is an exceptional off-road adventure motorcycle that delivers thrilling capabilities for riders seeking off-road excitement. It distinguishes itself as the first modern Ducati to feature a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, providing enhanced stability and control on rugged terrain. One of the key highlights of the Ducati DesertX is its long-stroke suspension, specifically designed to ensure smooth and controlled riding over uneven surfaces. This, along with a purpose-built frame, guarantees optimal handling and maneuverability in challenging conditions. Equipped with a testosterone at 11 degrees L twin engine boasting a displacement of 937 cc, the DesertX delivers powerful performance, making it perfect for off-road adventures. Its engine generates an impressive 110 horsepower, and when combined with the bike's lightweight construction, it becomes agile and responsive, empowering riders to confidently tackle various off-road terrains. In conclusion, the Ducati DesertX stands as a formidable off-road adventure motorcycle that seamlessly combines power, agility, and rugged design. Number 1. Ducati Diavel V4. The new Ducati Diavel V4 is a stunning and powerful motorcycle that has undergone a complete overhaul for the 2023 model year. With its low seat height, mid-controls, raised handlebar, swooping body lines, and oversized rear tire, the Diavel V4 boasts a bold and distinctive profile that turns heads wherever it goes. One of the most notable updates to the Diavel V4 is its engine. Ducati has replaced the previous Desmo V-twin with the new V4 Gran Turismo engine, also used in the Multistrada V4. The Diavel V4 specifically utilizes the 1,158cc variant of the engine, incorporating some modifications to the airbox, exhaust, and first-gear ratio for enhanced launch capabilities. This powerful combination delivers an impressive 168 horsepower and 93 foot-pounds of torque, providing exhilarating performance on the road. The Diavel V4 represents the pinnacle of refinement and power in the muscle cruiser category. Every aspect of the motorcycle has been meticulously redesigned to showcase Ducati's unwavering commitment to innovation and engineering excellence. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it informative, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.